Okay, the last videos I've made was in Finnish, but now I make an exception because my subject is to tell you the procedures about repairing Heath GL4000 console, mixing console, and this is the 48 channel version about this console. There's 24 and 32 and 40 channel versions, but this one is the biggest one, and I use this in my studio as an inline and online mixing console. Okay, the problem is this is from the 19s, about, I don't know the exact year when this year of and the model of this console, or the age of this console, sorry, but the problem is that some channels aren't so good, and the main problems are in this master section here. When I record, I use monochannel direct outputs to send the signal to my ADDA converter, and I also use group outputs, especially when I do the mix down. And now the problem is that when I take the signal from the group output, it has loss of these high frequencies. It's like quite muddy. Then if I take the signal out from left-right master output, okay, it's fine. But I run my speakers, my Genelec 2080A speakers through this table, I use the, it's where my finger is, I use the master left-right B output to record my mix down. Sometimes I want to take groups out of the mix down, so like drums and guitars and vocals and keyboards or something like that. And then I want to run back to the console and do the mix down. Although I could do same thing in Logic or in the box, but I like to do it analog way. Okay, another problem with the group outs are that in groups 5 and 6, which I use as a stereo group, and in group 7 and 8, the group channels 5 and 8 are about 6 dB lower. The output signal is 6 dB lower than the other one, even with test signal. Also, the master section right channel did the same thing, but as I run test signal through the table to groups and master channels left right the problem wasn't there anymore. So what I'm going to do is I disassemble the whole console. This is a modular console. Every channel is on PCB board, and the attachment to the front plate is made with potentiometer nuts. And also one thing I noticed that in the channel number 1 there was some kind of fix when I took the side plates off and looked inside the mixer. There is some kind of fix I should concentrate that one also. Maybe I order spare part PCB for that. Maybe time will show that. Okay, I've started to take the potentiometer knobs out. Almost there. There's lots of knobs. Look at this amount. I just pull like this. You pull. Okay. Easy. But time consuming. I also, if you noticed here, I turned every knob to southwest, because after repairing, putting the knobs back on is more easier when the direction is same in all knobs. Also the pan knobs and EQ knobs and so on, I put southwest. Although the EQ gain knobs has the center click, and also the stereo width knobs has the center click, but I don't know. I should, when I take the first channel out, I consider taking out the push knobs, maybe not, but there is Alps switches and Alps potentiometers inside, so maybe I do not take those little button hats or whatever they are. I don't necessarily take those out if it comes without wire. If the channel PCB comes out without the violence, so lots of work to do, and let's see what's gonna happen. And this is the first part of this Allen Heath repairing series, and special thanks to guy behind the True Sound Studios. He is a pioneer of this kind of repairs, and well, let's see.